Hello everyone. Welcome to Edu AI Verse. Today's lecture is about barriers to critical thinking, a very important topic for every student. Have you ever wondered why intelligent people sometimes make wrong decisions? Or why we fail to think clearly even when we have all the information? In this video, you will learn what critical thinking barriers are, different types of thinking barriers, real-life examples, and how to overcome them. Let's begin. Barriers to critical thinking are obstacles that prevent us from making clear and logical decisions. We explore why people sometimes make wrong choices and what stops us from thinking clearly. Understanding critical thinking and its importance is key. A news outlet reports a study linking chocolate consumption to higher test scores. Should schools act immediately? We explore the critical thinking process, examining correlation versus causation, bias and funding, and the third variable that might influence results. The appropriate response is to maintain healthy skepticism. While the study shows correlation, it doesn't prove causation. Critical thinkers know rigorous research is needed to rule out confounding variables before investing in quick fixes. Even smart individuals can make poor decisions due to emotions, habits, and biases. We question whether smart people can make wrong decisions and what causes bad judgment, exploring obstacles in clear thinking. Let's dive into the main barriers that obstruct our ability to think critically and make sound decisions. Egocentrism involves focusing mainly on oneself, believing one's ideas are always correct, and ignoring others' opinions. It doesn't always mean someone is bad. Often, they do this unknowingly. Egocentrism blocks open-mindedness, prevents listening, stops fair judgment, and reduces teamwork quality. Critical thinking requires listening, evaluating evidence, and considering different perspectives. Meet Sarah, a group project leader who believes she's the smartest. She rejects others' ideas, leading to lower marks. Her teammates feel excluded. We explore the type of thinking barrier, its effects, and how Sarah could improve. To overcome egocentrism, Sarah could listen to teammates, encourage discussion, share responsibility, accept feedback, and admit possible mistakes. Good leadership requires open-mindedness and teamwork, not dominance.